Dear all, welcome to the lecture series of Innovation and Design Thinking. I'm going to discuss an important topic, namely Agile in virtual collaboration environment. So, what is the meaning of Agile in like a online or virtual collaboration platform? So, first of all, we'll discuss what is Agile. So, the term Agile, it is also known as flexible and iterative project management approach. Okay, iterative means repetitive. Flexible, and a repetitive project management approach is known as Agile. Quickly delivery of the working solution is one of the example of Agile. Then continuous feedback and improvement. Then collaboration with the cross-functional teams. Then corresponding quickly to change. So these are the important thing comes under Agile. This is mainly used for the software development and product innovation and the business process. These are the various applications of the Agile nowadays. What is a virtual collaboration environment? Suppose during the COVID period, you might have worked remotely. You might have worked your own server, or you'll be working in you had worked out in a separate area, or separate your village or house. Team members working remotely, not in the same location, using the digital tool to communicate, share the ideas, and manage the task. There are some examples of these kind of uh, like uh, tools such as platforms of software, that is Zoom, Microsoft Teams, then WebEx, then MicroStack, Google Docs, etc. So that we can use the work in a remote fashion. That is called a agile collaboration, or we can say about like agile importance of agile project. Okay, so how Agile works in virtual environment. So Agile works on the following way: daily stand-ups, short video calls for 15 minutes, then sprints, one to 2 week cycle of work using the tools like Trello and Jira. Sprint review, then video making to showcase work and get feedback. Other one is backlog management. It includes online task boards, for example, Trello, ClickUps, etc. So collaboration, real-time co-editing and brainstorming. These are actually called agile work in virtual environment. Okay, this point you have to keep in your mind before proceeding. So we'll discuss about examples using agile design thinking project virtually. So imagine the student team is working on the application to reduce the food waste. First of all, empathy is required. So interview users on Google Meet, then collect the responses shared and collect the previous data, and you come to know that there are some improvement required for the forthcoming session. Second one is called define the use of micromap to point and persons. Regarding the idea, it is a brainstorming idea using virtual and vital keyboard. Similarly, uh, prototype build mockups using the Figma and share online. Figma is one of the tool. The last one is actually test user feedback via virtual usability sensors. So these are the important steps for important steps which are involved for developing the application based on the agile in virtual collaboration environment. So elaboration, the benefits of agile virtual environments are faster iteration and delivery, real-time updates and communication, then greater flexibility for remote areas, enhanced documentation through the shared tools, then easy access of the version history and feedback. These are the advantages of agile in virtual collaboration. It is most important. So iteration process will be fastly and real-time approach, flexibility. All the things are there for this particular benefits of agile cooperation. So if I talk about agile collaboration, I can represent the symbol diagram. So it includes the changes in readiness. It includes iterative development of testing and product. Moreover, it has people versus process relation, then important product features first. Okay, similarly, simplicity, another tool, another features, then facilities versus controlling management style. So these are the different type of process which are comes under agile manufacturing or virtual manufacturing. If you have any queries, do let us know. So characteristics involved, focus on the customer. Customer is the king, embracing the changes, then leaving from the room innovations, then walking in the iterations, collaboration, focus customers. These are the different features of Agile environment in virtual. So let me conclude the session. The combination of Agile and virtual tool that will give the better innovation. So this term you have to remember because Agile you might have seen, virtual also. If you combine both Agile and virtual, it will goes to another level, that is innovation. That is most important thing. Thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe this particular video. Happy learning. Wish you all the very best. Thank you all once again. Have a great day.